Model, 2015 Ford Transit Custom 2.2TD 125PS 290 Trend Front-Wheel Drive L1 High Roof Spares OR Repairs Aircon Spares OR Repairs with Roof Rack Open Mouth Smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 171565. MOT, 13 September 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Check engine light on the dash. For Ford mechanic a straightforward job, open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call